Easi-Paint is a professional painting system that takes the hassle out of painting. No more drips or splashes, use less paint and works on any type of surface, and cuts in at the same time with no need for masking tape. With Easi-Paint, you can achieve complete coverage in a single stroke with a beautiful no-drip finish. The English-made tri-fiber pads absorb paint evenly and will apply a uniform coat of paint to both smooth and rough or porous surfaces. The Easi-Paint kit comes with 3 different applicators. The large applicator is for painting large surfaces with water-based paints, stains, varnish or decking oil, a fast way to apply to walls and flooring. The extension clip fits your regular broom handle, enabling painting above your head or below your knees without the backache. The medium applicator can be used with all paint types and can help you achieve that spray gun finish with difficult enamels. This is the best applicator for architraves, skirtings, window frames and other small to medium-sized surfaces, especially when using enamel paint. The versatile mini applicator is perfect for those awkward problem areas, and with the edge guard, you can easily paint window frames and cut in those tight areas without the need for masking tape. Purchase Easi-Paint today and receive as an added free gift the corner applicator for those tight areas where you just need that extra spot of paint coverage. The Easi-Paint kit comes with a large and small mixer-loaded tray and 3 applicators, so 3 people can actually paint at the same time. The mixing wheel is designed to constantly stir the paint while evenly loading the applicator. Together with the tri-fiber pad, this means that the applicator doesn't drip and requires less paint when using water-based paints. The applicators are easy to clean and the kit comes with a spare set of pads, as well as the corner applicator if you order today. These carry enough life to paint 2 houses with usual surfaces inside and out with 2 coats of paint. You can easily order replacement pads if required at painteasi.com.au. Whether you need to paint your entire house or just the odd jobs, Easi-Paint makes painting fun and hassle-free. Easi-Paint. Best value, best results, best quality.